Social activist Sanjoy Ahanthem has demanded the convening of the monsoon session of the 12th Manipur Legislative Assembly to pass a decisive resolution on updating the state's NRC and enacting a narco-terrorism control law. He suggested that legislators adopt a unanimous motion urging central authorities to issue a gazette notification for the Manipur NRC update while halting census operations until it is finalized. The activist warned that conducting a census prior to the NRC update would erode the political rights of indigenous communities and severely impact their economy, culture, and identity. He further emphasized the need for a stringent law to curb narco-terrorism allegedly committed by Kuki armed groups under the Sioux Pact, ensuring harsh punishments for perpetrators. Highlighting the challenges posed by illegal immigration, Sanjoy urged all legislators to take a firm stance and tackle these issues through the strict enforcement of the Immigration and Foreigners Act 2025.
Maharashtra Control of Organized Crime Act 1999. Asina chingba aikhoigi Indian Constitution ki Article 246 ki makhada Schedule 7 the piriba step list ki entry 1 amasung entry 2 the piriba lamdam amagi step amagi masagi law and order lamdam adu ngak chenanabagi Article 246 ki makhada state subject oina public order amasung police state ki subject laibanina atop state sing da su tawgibanina Manipur da su hojik chathra iba organized crime mayam highness of killings, contract killings, narco terrorism. Irrespective of community, Maitei Oigera, Kuki Oigera, Naga Oigera, terrorism with Tabak Tauriba, Miataki Kang Piriba, Kayan Matabak Tauriba sing a say. Masi Mapung Pana control to a Luxen Bayana Nabagi the Makta, a Sigumba, special and stringent Oiba, low Masiamagimatam Yore.